Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find bike routes using Google Maps. If you're planning a cycling trip or just looking for the safest paths to ride in your area, this feature is incredibly useful for discovering bike-friendly routes near you. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to google.com/maps. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar Google Maps interface with the search bar at the top and the map view in the center. Now direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice an option called Layers. Go ahead and hover your mouse over it. When you do, a small menu will pop up showing different map view options. From this menu, click on Biking. This action switches your map to display cycling routes and paths specifically designed for bikers. After clicking Biking, you'll immediately notice that your map view changes. The roads and paths will now be highlighted with different colors and patterns, each representing a specific type of biking route. This visual transformation makes it easy to identify which roads are best suited for cycling and which ones you might want to avoid. The color coding system Google uses is straightforward once you understand what each line represents. Now look at the bottom of your screen. Here you can see detailed information about the different biking routes displayed on your map. Understanding these symbols is key to planning your ride effectively, so let's break down what each one means. First, you'll see a black straight line. This indicates a trail. Trails are typically off-road paths that are perfect for recreational cycling and often offer scenic routes away from traffic. These are great if you're looking for a more peaceful ride surrounded by nature. Second, you can see a green straight line. This represents dedicated lanes. Dedicated bike lanes are sections of the road specifically reserved for cyclists, providing a safer option when riding through urban areas. These lanes are separated from regular vehicle traffic, making them ideal for commuting or longer rides through the city. Third, you'll notice dotted green lines on the map. These indicate bicycle-friendly roads. While these roads don't have dedicated bike lanes, they are recognized as safe and suitable for cycling. They might have wider shoulders or lower traffic volumes, making them comfortable options for riders. Last, you can see dashed lines. These represent dirt or unpaved trails. If you're into mountain biking or prefer more rugged terrain, these routes are what you're looking for. Keep in mind that these paths might require a different type of bike and more experience to navigate safely. And that's it. You now know how to find and identify different bike routes using Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.